Trapped and Buried Diodes by Dr. C.P. Vaidyanathan, Department of Physics, One University. Trapped diode is a trapped plasma avalanche trigger transistor. In this session, we will discuss on the basics of trapped diode, internal structure of trapped diode, and principle of operation. Basics of trapped diode. Frequency of operation will be 1 to 3 kHz. Its noise figure is 60 decibels. It works with low power dissipation, and it works based on the plasma. It has DC to RF efficiency triggered between 0.8 to 60%. It is available with a P plus, N plus, or N plus, P plus. Trapped diode provides higher efficiency than impact diode, but it has higher level of noise figure. The full form of trapped diode is trapped plasma avalanche trigger transit diode, a microwave generator which operates between hundreds of megahertz to gigahertz. These are high peak power diodes, usually N plus minus P, N plus P, P plus, or P plus N plus structures with N-type depletion region varying from 2.5 to 1.25 angstroms or the micrometer range. Internal structure. Here the P plus N plus trapped diode is taken with anode and cathodes are connected and applied AC signal, and N region will be the drift space region. So this is the characteristic of the trapped diode. How it is represented can be explained as follows. So the regions, there are different regions, and what are these different regions can be explained as follows. So the following figure depicts this. The electrons and holes trapped in low field region behind the zone and are made to fill the depletion region in the diode. This is done by a high field avalanche region which propagates to the diode. The figure shows a graph in which AB shows a charging, BC shows plasma formation, and the DE shows plasma extraction, EF shows residual extraction, and FG shows the charging. This is the voltage versus time, what AB represents, I have told you. Now, what is this point A? What happens at each point? At point A, the voltage at point A is not sufficient for the avalanche breakdown to occur. At A, charge carriers due to thermal generation results in charging of the diode like a linear capacitance. So AB, at this point, the magnitude of the electric field increases. When a sufficient number of carriers are generated, the electric field is repressed throughout the depletion region, causing the voltage to decrease from B to C. And the point C, this is charge. This charge at point C, the charge helps the avalanche to continue, and dense plasma of electrons and holes is created. The field is further depressed so as not to let the electrons or holes out of the depletion layer and traps the remaining plasma. The voltage decreases at point D. A long time is required to clear the plasma as the total plasma charge is large compared to the charge per unit time in the external current. So point E is the plasma where the plasma is removed, residual charges of holes and electrons remain each at one end of the depletion layer. E to F, the voltage increases as the residual charge is removed. At point F, all the charge generated internally is removed. When F to G, the diode charges like a capacitor. At point G, the diode current comes to zero for half a period. The voltage remains constant as shown in the graph above. This state continues until the current comes back on and the cycle repeats. So the avalanche zone velocity Vs versus is Bs plus Vs is represented as so. The is the equation given. So out of the applications, there are many applications of this diode. Low power Doppler radars. It works in local oscillator for radars, microwave beacon landing system, radio altimeter, phased array radar, etc. What is Barrett diode? Barrett injection transiton diode. So in this session, we'll discuss outlines Barrett diode basics, internal structure, electric field in forward bias, diode characteristics, working and applications. So the Barrett diode has many similarities to the more widely used impact diode. Barrett diode is used in microwave signal generation, 25 GHz per silicon and 90 GHz per gallium arsenide. The main difference between the Barrett diode and other diodes is that the Barrett diode uses fermionic emission rather than avalanche multiplication. So the Barrett diode can produce low noise microwave signal. So the Barrett diode consists of two back-to-back diodes. So when the potential is applied, most of the potential drop occurs across the reverse bias diode. So the full form of Barrett diode is Barrett injection transit time diode. These are the largest innovation in this family. Though these diodes have long drift regions like impact diodes, the carrier injection in Barrett diode is caused by the forward bias junctions but not from the plasma of an avalanche region as in them. So in impact diodes, the carrier injection is quite noisy due to the impact ionization. Therefore, in Barrett diodes, to avoid the noise, carrier injection is provided by punch through of the depletion region. The negative resistance in Barrett diode is obtained on account of the drift of the injected holes to the collector end of the diode made up of P material. So Barrett diode can produce low noise microsignal. It consists of two back-to-back, as I told, the same thing. So this is figure shows the constructional design of Barrett diode. So PN and N-type, this is not the region, this is N-type material, silicon wafer and P. So P-type is emitter, N is the base and the drift region is the N-type silicon wafer. So electric field decreases and increases as the distance moves. So this is the Barrett diode internal electric field in forward bias. So we apply forward bias, P-type forward bias and N is to the collector and D is the depletion region. The green color indicates the depletion region. So the forward bias same as the in forward bias and reverse bias. So the breakdown voltage in reverse bias, the potential voltage, potential barrier voltage, the forward bias. So injection current, the terminal current, injection current is there due to punch through. So injection current is there due to punch through. This is in detail. And the positive cycle is a positive resistance. This negative response is shown here. Negative half cycle of the input signal. So its applications are as an oscillator, low noise signal generator, microwave mixer.